What's up, guys and gals? This is Roy from Roy's Customs, here today to kind of tell you what a trailing arm is for and why you need one. The trailing arm actually connects the chassis to the rear control arm in order to keep it from getting out of alignment, because without this your control arm will actually move and bounce back and forth, and it'll ruin your tires if you don't have a trailing arm to hold it stable. So it's basically a heavy-duty stabilizer for and you can see how it's designed here. It's designed to flex with the vehicle, which that's backwards, which it actually would work like this. It's designed so it flexes with the control arm and the rear wheel to also it will keep it stable, because it's usually made out of some pretty heavy-duty stuff. This one's tubular, and it has the bend in it to fit the right tires on and stuff. So some of them are straight, some of them are bent, but it is basically a stabilizer for your rear control arms for your wheel, and I'll show you where it goes. See, it just goes from the chassis to the rear control arms. The one on my vehicle is broken, so I had to go get another one from the parts yard in order to replace it. I'm also going to have to replace the passenger side as well, because it was broken a couple years ago and I welded it back together for a temporary fix. But anyways, I'm going to get those replaced. That is what a trailing arm is, and that's what it is for. And it is kind of important to have. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe, hit the notifications, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.